Hello everyone, I hope you really enjoyed the video that I've just made on how to tie gele on your head. For more content like this, for more inspiration and more okay, I need you to subscribe to encourage me more to keep posting. I need you to subscribe for you to get more updates. I need you to subscribe because I'll be bringing you more content on how to tie gele, how to do makeup, how to do different lip combo. Yay! In the midst of confusion and in the midst of uncertainty, if you're feeling tired, if you're feeling confused, if you're feeling like giving up, I want you to know that God is there for you. There were times in my life where I have felt like, oh, I'm tired, I don't want to do this anymore and all that. I want you to know that God is there. As long as you know God, just have this at the back of your mind that God will never, never, ever leave you. This is my thing to always say and encouraging words to you, just to make you feel better at the end of each video. I hope my word of encouragement has helped you. The word of the Lord says that you shall ask anything in my name and I will answer you. I want you to ask God for anything in his name, and also believing that what you've asked God of will be given to you. See you in my next video. Please subscribe, don't forget, comments, and then practice this, because you can't get in one sitting. You have to keep practicing. This was not the initial thing I wanted to get, but I kept doing things and something like this came up, so I guess it is what it is. So see you, bye.